What you got there? What you got? Did you get a mouse? Let's see if this thing still starts after it was sitting here cooling down. There was a rope wrapped around this, and the rope got caught in the motor, and so it ripped the oil cap off. So I plugged it with the rubber thing in a rag earlier. Hopefully it's fine. This thing doesn't really like starting unless you spray starting fluid in it. I have an idea. Bring the torch.
Hopefully you can get it.
We're gonna start it with propane. Just blow gas into there. I'll pull it over. Just aim it right into that hole.
I wasn't. Okay.
Try it again.
Go.
Do it a little more. Okay, now it's getting gas, so I think it'll work now. Or maybe it won't. Sorry, your hand's getting cold.
A little bit.
Oh, that's probably part of the problem. All the ashes.
Mm.
All right. Are we out of gas? No, there's still some gas. I guess it could be that the air filter's too plugged. Okay, let's try it one more time.
Okay.
Or a couple more times.
A couple more times.
I really want this to work.
Okay. Go.